I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you are looking to cancel your Apple Music subscription, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Navigate to the Settings app on your device. This is where you'll find all your account settings. Step 2. Tap on your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. Step 3. Select Subscriptions. Scroll down and select the Subscriptions option. Here, you'll see all your active subscriptions. Step 4. Choose Apple Music. Find and tap on Apple Music from the list of subscriptions. This will open the details for your Apple Music subscription. Step 5. Tap Cancel Subscription. Scroll down and tap on Cancel Subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to check for any confirmation messages. Remember, if you don't see the Cancel Subscription option, it might be due to a payment issue or your subscription being managed through a different platform. Good luck, and I hope this helps you manage your subscriptions easily.